welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about my Publish0x earnings for the month of February 2023, and I'm not ignoring this platform, my friends, and the reason is simple. Somehow Publish0x is ranked higher in terms of traffic from both hive.blog, read.cash, and many other cryptocurrency powered blogging websites. All of the, I think Publish0x is the biggest cryptocurrency powered blogging platform right now. I think so, and that is why I am not ignoring this. I grew so much on the Publish0x platform in February 2023, and this is one of the best decisions of my life of not ignoring this platform. Although there are some problems with the payment withdrawal, you can withdraw your payments, but the gasoline fees with the ERC tokens like Ethereum, and then they don't have option of withdrawing payments to Binance. There are so many problems like these, but they are resolvable if you work on it somehow. Now let's go to the stats, my friends. It's very important. I'm going to the statistics, and let's discuss the stats. Stats. So my friends, it's simple really. This has been my best ever period on Publish0x, my best ever period. Over 8,000, almost 8,100 views, above $4, and over 204 likes. So my friends, the reason why I am not in the $10 marks, $10 mark is quite simple really. I write on technology and artificial intelligence, and I import my Medium blog posts onto Publish0x. If you are a writer on Medium or any other platform, have a WordPress website or any other blogging platform, I suggest you join the Publish0x authorship program. A link is in the description. Use that, register via that link, and import your stories simply. Import your stories onto Publish0x with a link at the end of each story saying that originally you posted that article on so and so platform. This is it, because that is your property, and this is what I am doing, my friends. It gives a backlink to your main blogging platform, and this is what the best cryptocurrency powered blogging website right now. So these are my earnings, my friends. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. And one more thing, my friends, I forgot to tell you that if you are a cryptocurrency topic writer, this is going to give you around about $15 to $30 per month guaranteed. So don't miss out on this platform. Thanks for watching, my friends. I'll be signing out. Take care.